Hi guys, I'm already on Tutorials Ghana. My name is Maserati the creator, and today I'm going to teach you my best 3 website builders. Number 1, Wordpress. Wordpress is a software designed for everyone, emphasizing accessibility, performance, and security. Guys, Wordpress is very easy to use or easy to use. Wordpress is a software which is being installed on your hosting. WordPress allow you to create websites like blogs, e-commerce, NGO website that include the charity website. It allows you to create school website for all types of businesses. WordPress was established in the year 2003. WordPress allows you to install plugins and themes. It has its own plugins and allow you to install external plugins. Same way WordPress had themes like the Astra, the 22, and the Ocean WP, but also allows you to install external themes like the Jana, JNews, a lot of website themes. And WordPress has been there since 2003. I've used WordPress for about 3 years now, and WordPress has helped a lot. Okay, so WordPress has like 9,932 free themes, and WordPress is being installed on a hosting. So if you're interested in WordPress hosting, you can get some on Bluehost, OceanHost, SiteGarden, other stuffs. Number 2, Shopify. Shopify allows you to sell your products online. It helps you to showcase your product to your customers, or helps you to get new customers on the internet. So Shopify allows you to choose a currency which you are interested in. It gives you 14 days free plan, which you don't need to enter your credit card or something else. It's for free. So if you're interested, you move to the paid plan. So some people will be asking, can I use my own domain name with Shopify? Yes, you can use your own domain name with Shopify. If you have an existing domain name, you can connect it to Shopify from your store's admin. If you don't have a domain name yet, you can either buy one through Shopify or a third party, right? So I'll be placing a link on a place where you can get yourself a domain name. So some people also ask, do I need to be a designer or a developer to use Shopify? No, you don't need to be a designer or a developer to use Shopify. Sign up for Shopify allows you to customize the look and feel of your store with online store builder and themes, right? So it allows you to add features and functionalities to your store with apps. So this allows you to create an e-commerce store which you can choose your favorite currency, your price, everything. So they already have templates in it. You select the type of template you want, then you set up your prices, your currency. It allows you to add your payment gateways, so that it will be flexible as you wish or as you want it to be. Number 3 is Wix. Yeah. So Wix is a website builder that allows you to create a website without limit. So it has its own themes or templates, and also allows you to create some of the themes by yourself. Wix has the payment plan or a paid plan, and I also have the free plan. I've been on Wix about 1 year ago, and Wix is very, very powerful. Wix already have almost 500 plus customer website templates that are built to meet your business needs. So that you don't need to be a developer or a designer. You can just jump into Wix and sign up and start designing your website. You can design website like blog, business, online store, design, photography, education, and a lot of stuff on Wix. Wix is very, very powerful website builder, which I recommend to my viewers. And it have SEO tool which improve your visibility or search engine with a full range of SEO features. If you want to create a Wix website, here are the steps you need to follow. The steps are just simple steps to create a website today. So you need to sign up for a free website builder. Choose what kind of website you want to create. Note, when signing up on Wix, any question they ask you, make sure you answer it correctly so that they can get you the best template or the best design for your website. So the step number 2 is to customize a template or get a website made for you. Choose your starting point. That can drop hundreds of design features, artists, galleries, video, vector arts, and more. Step number 4, get ready for business. Add an online store, booking system, members area, and blog. The 5th point is the most interesting part. You publish your website and go live. Start building your professional online presence. The step number 6 is drive traffic to your site. Use advanced SEO tools and integrated marketing solutions. If this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment. Thank you.